Hello, everybody, and welcome to Learning SQL Episode 7 The Union Operator. This week, we're going to talk about how we can add data vertically. In the last episode, we talked about joins and how joins can add data horizontally by adding columns. This episode, we're going to talk about how we can add records to our result sets. Let's jump in. In this example, I'm going to use the customer and staff tables in our Sequila database. I have added an additional record in the customer table so we can show a couple features of the union all and union operators. Let's play with a scenario. Let's pretend that our video store wants to send out an e-card to every customer and staff around the holidays. In our customer table, we can see that there's a first name, last name, and email column. In our staff table, we also have a first name, last name, and email column. Now, we could just select these separately, but it's a lot easier just to combine the two sets together initially. So to do that, we can start off by writing two queries to get the information we need from both tables. In this case, let's start with the customer. Let's select the first name, last name, and email. Pretty simple. Let's do the same for our staff. Again, we'll select the first name, last name, and email. But this time we'll select it from staff. You can see that we get the same column values just from different places. So to connect these two, we want to add our staff members to our list of customers. We can do that just by simply connecting these two queries together using a union clause. And now you'll notice that our list now contains not only our customers, but also our staff members as well. However, there's one important note. We use the union operator, and it also has an additional statement that we can use, such as union all. I mentioned before that I added a customer to our customer table. This customer so happens to not only be a customer, but also be a staff member. John Stevens is both a customer and works for the video rental store. Using only the union operator, we only get one record for John. However, if we use the union all operator, we would get both records. Let's demonstrate this. The union operator simply combines two select statements. So in this case, we need to add our filter to both statements. Using the union all operator, we see that we have both records for John. If we switch to just the union operator, you can see that the other record for John is removed from the result set. The union operator will exclude any duplicate values between the two select statements. And in this case, where John Stevens had the same data in the first name, last name, and email columns, for both the customer and the staff records, one of them was removed. If we want to see duplicates, we can add the all term, and that will include records from both sets, whether or not they're duplicates. That's all about the union clause for now. Until next time, have a good one.